Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will cover most of the new vehicles, Fords, especially most of the new Fords past 2000, they use no pin engine, which means that you don't have a pin for the sprocket for the timing. Okay, that's the crankshaft sprocket and the crankshaft pulley as well. So let me show you now. Okay, this is the engine right here. Most of them will be identical procedure. Doesn't matter if it's a 4, 6, 8 cylinder. Okay, there is no pin anywhere on the crankshaft here. So which means that this pulley, guys, even if it's not if you don't get it tight enough, this pulley can slip. Okay, your timing will be off and you can bend valves and you can say bye bye to your engine. Okay, let me show you the harmonic balancer here as well. Okay, the pulley itself. You can see there is absolutely no pin or anything like that, which is a very terrible design. You have to use a special tool to align the crankshaft pulley because there is no pin. That way the timing will not be off for the crankshaft position sensor. And you will have to use a brand new bolt every time you remove it, because this is a stress bolt. And if you try to reuse this one, it might get loose in the future, your timing will slip, and you can say bye bye to your engine. With all that being said guys, Ford says that they can achieve the perfect timing that way. In my opinion, I don't believe that stuff. It's most likely done, so most of the people cannot do it themselves, because you have to get some special tools, which nowadays you can get, and we'll have in the description of the video, for a very inexpensive price. You have to use a TDC pin, okay, for the back side of the engine. That's for the top dead center. You will have to use that plate here to hold the camshafts. You need to use another plate to hold the clutches on the front, and you need to use a flywheel holding tool to torque down the crankshaft bolt. So quite a few things guys. But Ford went that way, and I think they did it so most of us cannot do the job ourselves, doing timing belts and stuff like that, so we can go to the dealership and get it serviced there and pay them money. But however, we always find a way guys, right? If we're into cars, we'll always find a way to do it ourselves. So just a quick update guys, thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.